Okay, so I'm working here on this Tesla Model X, and I just wanted to go over what drilling means. So some panels like this, we don't have access to, especially being a Tesla. To remove this tail light where the plug is, this is the outlet to charge the car, it's very difficult to remove this tail light. So to gain access, what we have to do is we have to drill a hole, and that's very common. We do that a lot, and I just wanted to go over what the hole looks like. So this is the hole, and it's to create access to fix this dent right here. It's a pretty bad dent, very deep. It stretched the metal. It probably won't look perfect, but I believe it should look pretty good, but I don't think it'll look perfect. And then I can do an after, film it to show what it looks like in the end. And I also filmed the hole that I had to create there with the plug, and basically show you the end result. But I just wanted to go over because I had to drill, and I wanted to show that to customers just so they feel more comfortable that this is a common procedure. It's something that on occasion, when we don't have access to the inside of certain panels through other means, we have to create access by drilling a hole. So yeah, I'll come back to you when I'm done. Okay, so here we are. This is the end result, and the dent might have even exceeded my expectations considering how bad it was. Aluminum is a little more forgiving. If it was steel, there was a good chance that it wouldn't even have been repairable. So it really looks good. I'd say very close to 100%. Close to making it look like nothing ever happened. This is just a little smudge there. And yeah, this is the plug. It's very flush, and looks like something that belongs there. I mean, when you look at doors, car doors, it's full of little grommets and plugs and things like that. So it looks like something that's been there from factory. And if it doesn't and it bothers you, unfortunately, for panels that there's no access to, the only way of going around that is by doing body work. So it's either that, or the only option is getting it done at a body shop through regular means. So yeah, I mean, if you're okay with the hole, the little grommet, the plug there, we touch up the paint to protect it from possible corrosion, and the grommet's very flush. It fits very well, it doesn't fall off or anything like that. So yeah, it's a really good result, and for the price, I'm sure he's gonna be super happy. And with the PDR light, things tend to show more, of course, that's why we use the light. But even with the light there's not much left to see. Maybe a little bit of a texture, waviness, like very minute. It looks like the natural orange peel of the car. And yep, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching.